Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. Just wanted to say that we have officially created a brand new candle, a brand new bullish candle to the upside on the daily. The daily still looks to be pretty bullish. I think that we are headed. I think that we're definitely headed somewhere between the 54 and 55K level for Bitcoin. I think the last forecast that I did was actually back here somewhere, back in like July, early August, and I did have the forecast of somewhere around here. So I think it was 54,789, which is on trend right here. For actually I'm actually early. I actually forecasted that we would hit 54,789 September 6th. So actually this week I actually forecasted that. I thought so today I actually thought that we were going to hit it today. This probably has to be moved forward because Bitcoin is getting close, but it didn't actually hit 54, 55K. This should probably be moved a little bit more towards the end of this upcoming week, maybe the weekend or so. You might see another push hard to the upside, but it is trailing. It is winning, and it is officially leading the crypto market. Ethereum hasn't been leading the crypto market for a while. It did for a little bit, but it's been trading sideways ever since what, September 3rd. So not too long, just a couple of days, but it doesn't seem to want to break that 39.87 level. I actually thought we were going to be sitting today somewhere close to 41, closer to $42,000, but it doesn't want to break to the upside. And until it actually breaks, until it actually breaks 39.88 or 39.87, this price range, it doesn't seem like it's going to do anything. But with the Bitcoin move to the upside, I can actually see Ethereum break on the upside. But again, it really just depends on what happens the next couple of hours, because it's going to be kind of weird to see Bitcoin break to 52K while Ethereum kind of does nothing, and it's been doing nothing since, like I said, September 3rd. And even on the daily too. Technically on the daily we are creating a perfect sell-off, so keep that in mind. Creating a perfect sell-off. We haven't broken 39.87. If we look at the reverse MACD, for those of you that actually have it right now, that are part of the Patreon, we do have an official close on the reverse MACD. It's going to be closing in about 22 minutes. So you do have, it looks like we're gonna have an official close on the bear side for Ethereum. So like I said, keep that in mind. It does look like we have created or are going to create a perfect sell-off on the daily in the next 23 minutes or so. And we haven't closed, or we haven't even broken above 39.87. So it's kind of a little concerning, because I can definitely see Ethereum possibly come back down and continue this trend instead of doing really anything else. So I can see it maybe, like I said, I still think Ethereum might catch up to and run to the upside here, somewhere like that, because Bitcoin is running. But if it doesn't follow Bitcoin, I can easily see it coming back down, and possibly coming back down to trend or something. So I can definitely see it coming back down something to, like, I don't know, like the 3,200, somewhere around this range right here, somewhere around that trading range. I can definitely see it. But again, because you actually had Bitcoin trade to the upside, like I said, it might start catching up, and it might push to, it might break that 39.87. But if it stays like this, there's a strong chance that it can still go down, retest, and then push up, or basically just push up. It all really depends on the next couple of hours, and if 39.87 is broken. So I'll see you guys later. Bitcoin is leading. Bitcoin did touch 52K as of today, and it looks like it's probably going to break 53K if it didn't already break it. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great Labor Day. Bye.